Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao and I welcome you to my channel that is Learn English with Bhalerao Sir. Friends, while talking in English, sometime we make some grammatical silly mistakes. So we should have to take precautions. So in this video, we shall see which common mistakes we usually do. So let's see. लेट्स बिगिन। इंग्लिश में बोलते समय ऐसी ग्रामेटिकल गलतियां ना करें। अभी यहाँ पर दो कॉलम आपको दिखाई देंगे, इनकरेक्ट एंड करेक्ट। अभी इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस हम कैसे, कौन सा होता है? हियर वी शैल सी इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस एंड करेक्ट सेंटेंस। आई हैव अ गुड न्यूज फॉर यू, इनकरेक्ट, and correct one is I have good news for you. Next, there is no place in the hall, incorrect, and correct one, there is no room in the hall. Next incorrect sentence, it was tough decision to make, and correct sentence is it was a tough decision to make. Next, a little spark kindles great fire. It is incorrect, and correct one, a little spark kindles a great fire. Next, incorrect sentence. The clock has struck 7 hours. Correct sentence. The clock had struck 7. Next, incorrect. It's not good to go to the bed late. Correct sentence. It's not good to go to bed late. Next, incorrect sentence. We came by the 4:30 o'clock train. And correct one. We came by the 4:30 train. Incorrect sentence. Worry kills more the men than work. Correct one is worry kills more men than work. Next sentence. There is an exceptional to every rule. Incorrect it is. And correct one is there is an exception to every rule. Next incorrect sentence. Don't feel anger with me. I am just kidding. Correct one. Don't be mad at me. I am just kidding. Next incorrect sentence. I saw them to work. Correct one. I saw them work. Next. The lights, his rooms are on. Incorrect sentence it is. It is incorrect sentence. And correct one is the lights of his room are on. Incorrect sentence. I like to play the football. Correct sentence. I like to play football. Incorrect sentence. They study in the India. Correct sentence. They study in India. Incorrect sentence. The white is my favorite color. Correct one. White is my favorite color. Incorrect sentence. She looks cheerfully today. Correct one. She looks cheerful today. Incorrect sentence. Your advice is great significance. Correct one. Your advice is of great significance. Next, see incorrect and correct sentences. Incorrect one. I want a little quantity of milk. Correct sentence is I want a small quantity of milk. Next incorrect. I, you, and he will do it together. Correct sentence is you, he, and I will do it together. Incorrect sentence. I am in favor to stop work now. Correct one is I am in favor of stopping work now. Incorrect sentence. She did a request for some water. Correct sentence is she made a request for some water. Incorrect sentence. The girl wants to get herself married. Correct sentence is the girl wants to get married. Incorrect sentence. This option is preferable than any other. Correct one is this option is preferable to any other. Incorrect sentence is give literally translation of the passage. Correct sentence is give a literal translation of the passage. Incorrect sentence open the last but one page of the book. Correct sentence is open the last page but one of the books. Let's see the next more examples of incorrect and correct sentences. You cannot set a feet in this house. Correct one is you cannot set foot in this house. Incorrect sentence he left with his belonging luggage. Correct one is he left with his luggage. Incorrect sentence he sent a word that he would come. Correct sentence he sent word that he would come. Incorrect sentence we learn not at school but in life. Correct sentence we learn not at school but in life. Incorrect sentence I know him good. Correct sentence I know him well. Incorrect sentence I have read the Shakespeare's King Lear. Correct sentence I have read Shakespeare's King Lear. Incorrect sentence don't go in the sun. Correct sentence don't go out in the sun. Incorrect sentence oh on what you are here. Correct sentence is what are you here for? Incorrect sentence tell why did you do that? Correct sentence tell me why you did that. Now let's see the another examples of incorrect and correct sentences. I am difficult to learn Japanese. This is incorrect sentence. And correct sentence is it is difficult for me to learn Japanese. Incorrect sentence did Japan come into rainy season? Did Japan come into rainy season? Correct sentence is it the rainy season in Japan? Incorrect sentence Thailand is coming into rainy weather. Correct sentence Thailand is in the rainy season now. Incorrect sentence he went to abroad to further his studies. Correct sentence he went abroad to further his studies. Incorrect sentence what time of a day now in your country? Correct sentence what is the time now in your country? Incorrect sentence I'm really excited to good news from you. Correct sentence I'm really excited to get your good news. Incorrect sentence how does he like? Correct sentence what does he look like? Incorrect sentence it is a high pay job. Correct sentence it is a high paying job. Incorrect sentence I go out after the dinner. Correct sentence I go out after dinner. So let's see more examples. For example, incorrect sentence those who are absent I shall punish them. Correct sentence I shall punish those who are absent. Incorrect sentence you can try it more. Correct sentence you can try a few times. Incorrect sentence today I will cut my hair. Correct sentence I will have my hair cut today. Incorrect sentence are you work busy? Correct one is do you have a busy job? Incorrect sentence I feel myself feverish. Correct one is I feel feverish. Incorrect sentence She left a bit in a hurry. Correct sentence. She left in a bit of a hurry. Incorrect sentence. He rose. He roses equal to the occasion. He rose equal to the occasion. Correct sentence. He was equal to the occasion. Incorrect sentence. He made an excuse to be late. Correct sentence. He made an excuse for being late. Friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you good day. Take care. Thank you very much.